Gokiddie! Hello kids! In this video, you will learn about animals. आज हम सीखेंगे जानवरों के नाम. So let's start. This is horse. ये है घोड़ा. This is dog. Dog यानी कुत्ता. This is cat. Cat means बिल्ली. This is donkey. ये है गधा. This is rabbit. Rabbit means खरगोश. This is camel. Camel means ऊंट. This is an elephant. Elephant मतलब हाथी. This is pig. Pig means सुअर. This is buffalo. ये है भैंस. This is giraffe. ये है जिराफ. This is cow. Cow means गाय. This is sheep. Sheep means भेड़. This is deer. ये है हिरन. This is lion. Lion मतलब शेर. This is tiger. Tiger मतलब बाघ. This is monkey. ये है बंदर. This is zebra. ये है zebra. This is cheetah. ये है चीता. This is hippopotamus. ये है दरियाई घोड़ा. This is wolf. Wolf मतलब भेड़िया. This is goat. Goat means बकरी. This is panda. ये है पांडा. This is fox. ये है लोमड़ी. This is rhinoceros. ये है गेंडा. This is yak. ये है yak. This is gorilla. ये है गोरिल्ला. This is hyena. ये है लकड़बग्गा. This is bear. ये है भालू. This is kangaroo. ये है कंगारू. This is chimpanzee. ये है चिंपांजी. This is crocodile. ये है मगरमच्छ. So kids, I hope you liked the video. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching Gokiddie.